We shall witness the handover of the command symbol to be presided by the President of the Republic of the Philippines. The handover of the command symbol, a time-honored military tradition that signifies orderly and seamless transfer of authority, responsibility, and accountability from the outgoing Chief of Staff to the incoming Chief of Staff of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. More than a ceremonial act, it represents a continuity of leadership, enduring trust of the institution, and the unwavering commitment of the armed forces to its constitutional mandate of serving the Filipino people and defending the nation. These rites signifies the dynamism and fitness of the organization. Well, congratulations to the 60th and 61st Chiefs of Staff of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. Thank you very much to His Excellency. We'll now witness the donning of ranks ceremony. Well, the new Chief of Staff, Armed Forces of the Philippines, Lieutenant General Antonio G. Navarrete, is requested to stand at the center front as the Adjutant General, Armed Forces of the Philippines will read the appointment order.
Republic of the Philippines, Department of National Defense, General Headquarters, Armed Forces of the Philippines, Camp General Emilio Aguinaldo, Quezon City. General Orders Number 1784, published on 21 July 2026. Ad interim appointment. Pursuant to the provisions of Republic Act Number 11709, as amended by Republic Act Number 11939, Lieutenant General Antonio Gustilo Navarrete, Officer Dash 10291, Philippine Army, is appointed ad interim to the rank of General effective 21 July 2026. By order of the Secretary of National Defense, Official Romeo Saturnino Browner Jr., General Philippine Army, Chief of Staff. Signed, Danilo E. Estraniero, Brigadier General Philippine Army, the Adjutant General.
We'd like to request the children of the new Chief of Staff, Antonio Michael and Ana Micaela, to join and assist in the awarding. May we request His Excellency for the donning of ranks? Well, the President will be assisted by the Secretary, Department of National Defense.